Is the dxgi.dll file missing on your Windows 11? Then watch this video tutorial to know how to fix it. Now, the simplest way to fix the problem is by restoring the missing dxgi.dll file. Now, we recommend checking your recycle bin. To do that, just open Recycle Bin on your computer, locate the file in the Recycle Bin, and if found, right-click on it, then choose Restore. Next up, use a backup folder to copy the file. All you have to do is navigate to the folder or the website where your backup files are stored, locate the file, then copy it. Now navigate to the following path in your Windows Explorer, paste the backup file there, and once done, restart your computer, and upon reboot, check if the issue is resolved. Lastly, reinstall VC runtimes. Do it by opening Control Panel, navigate to Programs, select Uninstall a program, locate the Microsoft Visual C or distributable package, then right-click on it, and select Uninstall. Now you have to follow the on-screen instructions to proceed, and once you're done doing that, download the latest version of the Microsoft package. Now unzip the downloaded file, and then run it as an administrator. So that's how to fix the missing dxgi.dll file in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.